Gold and silver traded with swings. We have seen gold hitting the lows at 33.40 levels and silver also moving towards 35.45 before recovering now completely. Yes, we have seen gold now coming to the strongest resistance zone at 33.84.88. Are we looking forward to a breakout on the upside? Are we looking forward to 3400 levels here in gold? And what about silver? Are we looking forward to a recovery towards $37 levels? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicate. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates. First with the Asia session, next with the US session, and not only the trading levels, but also I give you the complete reasoning and detailed analysis and logic behind each and every level. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you look at gold on the early charts, see rise, retracement, second rise, a bigger, sharper retracement, and then again a pullback. Now, this pullback, you can see higher highs are seen, higher lows are seen. It is very, very important for gold to now stay above 33.88 levels here. Now 33.85, 88 should be a good resistance zone. If it stays above this, possibly we are looking at 33.96, 34.04, and then if it stays above 34.04, we are going to see 34.22 and in fact 34.40. But remember, as I have shared, for the month, for the week till 34.40, you should not be treating gold as bullish. Prices can reverse any point of time. Now see, this is almost at the peak of it. You have to watch out how it behaves at around 33.84, 88. Possibility of reversal cannot be denied. See what we had seen, a single line drop and a recovery here. Again, it can reverse from the current levels. Moving averages though are right now trading bullish on the early charts. Stochastic rising, MACD again rising, RSI is rising. Signs are still supportive for further bullishness. Coming to 2 hour, similar is the observation on the 2 hour chart. See this, and see every decline follows with a stronger recovery here. And this is almost at the cusp of the channel. Let's watch out how it behaves till towards 33.88 levels, and then beyond this, certainly more bullish momentum may prevail here. If you see the moving averages here, these have crossed over, these are trading with divergence, and these are trading strongly bullish as of now. The stochastic rising again, the MACD also rising, the RSI is also rising. Coming to 3 hour chart, similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts. The moving averages are divergent here. Also look at the swings here, bigger swings followed with a stronger rise. Now this is at the top of it. We have to watch out how it behaves still towards 33.88, else it is possible that we are looking at 3400 levels again. However, when you look at the charts here, see this is putting pressure on the bands to expand, and the prices are, the candle is outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it is getting lot much of pressure from upside. Now this is possible that it might form a double top here, and from these levels a possible reversal cannot be denied. Now once you see the charts, it is right now appearing to be trading strongly bullish. The stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. On the 4-hour charts, when you look at the preceding candle comes with a bigger tail, and current candle starting on a bullish note. This is a good sign for the bulls here. And thus beyond 33.88, which it is already breaking, we can expect 33.94, 95, or 33.94, 96, 34.04, and then in fact 34.22 levels should be there. Bit skeptical of 3400 levels, but yes, these are markets. You can see higher highs are seen for these 3 times. It can in fact move towards the highs here, which are right now placed at above 34.20 levels. Let's see, let's watch out how it behaves around 33.88 levels. This is going to remain critical. Yes, you can see stronger consolidation is seen, and now it is given a breakout. However, I'll say it is going to be difficult for gold to sustain these levels. Stochastic definitely extremely overbought. When you look at the MACD, this is trading with divergence. This is looking bullish, staying bullish here. RSI is rising here. Coming to daily. Now see, one thing I have mentioned earlier in the day, 33.40, 33.20 should offer a greater resistance. What has happened? Prices moved towards 33.40 and has bounced back and recovered strong. So now 33.40, 33.38 has become a stronger base for gold to break below. If at all you see gold trading below 33.40, you can say now this is the time for bears to take over. Also look at the daily charts. What is happening? Rise, retracement, support from 20 period, rise, retracement, support from 20 period. It is again rising here. It is possible that it can scale towards higher highs. Now even if it scales towards higher highs, first 34.20, 22 zone, and then 34.40. These are the 2 levels. I do not expect gold to break beyond 34.40, but yes, these are markets. Looking at the momentum, what it is shown in last some time, possibility exists that it can hit the highs. However, Let's watch out. Now, if you see the candle today, it has formed a bigger tail and it is rising. This is a good sign supportive for further bullishness. But yes, it can turn red, it can hit the highs and it can turn red, stay with the swings. Moving average is bullish, stochastic rising, MACD again crossing over for the buys. It has stayed here at the bottom for quite some time now. The RSI is rising as well. So now see how easily under 5 minutes we have analyzed the complete charts and arrived at the levels. And if you are also willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my 33rd mentorship batch. Connect with me for your queries, write an email or ping me or Telegram. Else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Again, reach out to me for details. Once you have your trades in place, it is very, very important for you to have a safer place to trade where you can execute your trades easily. The trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. So now very clear, I will recommend you to buy if you see gold trading above 3388, 3390 zone. Yes, this is going to remain critical. If you see gold trading beyond 3388.90, you can buy here and expect it to move towards 3396, 3404 and then 342022 zone. This is critical. Beyond 342022 is where you can confirm now the bulls are taking over and we can look forward to 3440 levels. I do not expect it to break 3440, but yes, these are markets do not work as per my expectations, though chances are less. On the downside now, where you should sell, I will recommend you to sell at 3374. If you see it is staying below 3374, you can take a sell, expect it to move towards 3360, 3348 and then 3340 levels. A drop below 3340 should take it all the way towards 3320 levels, the next strongest support. And this zone here between 3320 and 3340 is very, very critical for gold to break below. A drop below 3320 should confirm the next move towards 3300, 3280, and if 3280 is taken, it is a crash. It is going to deliver massive down move here. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see it has shown a massive decline all the way towards 3540 levels. Earlier in the day I have mentioned once it trades below 3580, the direct landing is towards 3540. Now notice, just connect the highs here. You can find out the highs are beautifully aligned. It is very, very important for silver to trade beyond 3640. If you see the lower price in silver above 3640, take a buy, expect 3660 levels. Now 3660, 3680 is the most critical zone which it needs to break. If it stays beyond 3680, it is going to show you massive up move here. Till 3680, do not treat this as bullish. Moving averages have crossed over for sell. Stochastic rising. MACD has hit a bottom. It is trying to cross over for a buy. Signs here are bullish on the early charts. RSI is also rising from the oversold or bottom. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. Notice the preceding candle has hit the highs here at 36.25, 26. Also notice the drop here was around from this zone, and now this is very, very important for silver to stay above 3640. That is the only level beyond which you can say now this is breaking out. See, this is how it has been trading. This is an expanding triangle, and this is also a nice flag formation. So a move beyond 3640, 3660 should confirm a breakout. As long as 3660 is not taken, you have to be careful with the buys, and then specifically till 3680 stay cautious. Stochastic rising, the MACD has traded enough bearish. It has seen the lows here. RSI is also trying to rise here. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour chart, similar observation, 20 period offering it a good resistance. This is definitely going to remain a critical zone for silver to break beyond. As long as 3640, 3660 is respected, you have to be careful with the sells. Now on the downside, $36 levels, 3590, which was the support, is now going to be a stronger support again. If you see it is staying below 3590, you can stay with the sells, expect 3560 and then 3540. This is the most critical support zone. Below 3540, the direct landing is towards 35. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish here. The RSI is comfortably placed. On the 4-hour chart, now when you look at the 4-hour chart, see preceding candle comes with a bigger tail, sharper tail here. Also look at it has breached the support here at 36. Now it is very, very important for silver to trade below 36. Also notice the preceding two candles. Yes, it is shown increasing body size. The current candle might also deliver further increasing body size here. Now, body size increasing does not mean that it can hit all the way towards 3540. It is going to be difficult for hit these lows, but possibly this might trade with modest bearishness. It can come down somewhere here at around 3580, 36. However, if it breaches 3640, 3660, it's a reversal. Remember, preceding candle comes with a bigger tail, suggests that the prices were failed to stay bearish, and then a recovery from here cannot be denied. So this is something you should watch out for. Stochastic rising, the MACD sharply bearish, the RSI is trading with moderate bearishness. Coming to daily, when you look at the daily chart, see first two candles comes with you can see bearishness here, comes with bigger tails, and the current candle also stayed bearish. Yes, possibility is higher that it may close the day, close the candle in red. That is very much possible. But yes, you have to watch out. A move beyond 3640, 3660 should confirm a stronger reversal. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. If it reverses, we are ready for a rally ahead. Beyond 3680, 85, we are looking at 3710, 3750, and in fact 3780 levels, the next targets. Stochastic dropping here from the overbought zone. MACD is trading with sharp divergence, and that is why we can see series of red candles here, and the RSI is overbought. So considering this, what I'll recommend, a buying entry should be taken at only if you see the lower price above 3640. If you see silver above 3640, take a buy for 3660, 3680 and 3710, beyond which more bullishness towards 3750 and 3780 levels will be seen. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at $36 levels or 35.90 levels, expected to move towards 35.60, 35.40. A drop below 35.40 is a clear sign of prevailing bearishness, which is going to take the prices all the way towards $35 levels. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.